I have a LG dishwasher that will not start. I get 3 flashing bars and chimes. It is 2 to 3 years old. Model LDF7551ST. I had turned the water off to replace a washer in the faucet earlier today but turned the water back on.
Hello. First try pressing and holding any button on the panel down for 10 seconds and see if it will reset and allow you to start a cycle. If not, kill power at the breaker for 5 minutes, restore power, then open and close the door on the dishwasher and try to start a cycle and see if that resets the board. Let me know how it goes. If neither of those work, we will go from there. Thanks.
No. Neither of those fixed the problem.
Using the chart and directions linked below, go through the diagnostic routine and see if you get any errors. Click here for instructions.
Cannot do it. I cannot turn off the chimes. It keeps beeping and flashing 3 bars. Tried to follow steps and got an 001 on the screen but nothing else. Then I was able to get all lights on and it showed N03. Then went back to beeping. I was able to get all lights on and it showed N03. Then went back to beeping.
Are you positive you turned the water supply to the unit back on? Keep pushing delay start, see if you can get it to the water valve test.
I triple checked that. I turned power on and pressed normal cycle and closed the door and it just beeps and flashes 3 bars. Repeated that 3 times. On the 3rd try, it is now working okay. Do not know why.
Sounds like the door lock switches may not be making good contact. If you keep having problems, replace it. Here is the switch, dishwasher door lock part #4027 at 3002J. Click here. Here is a video showing how to replace it. Click here for video if you don't have any more problems. It just needed to be reset from the water being turned off, and going through the service mode did that. Thank you.
Halfway through the cycle, it stopped and did the same thing. Do you still think it is the dishwasher door lock?
Yeah, I think it's losing contact, or that switch is just bad and is losing continuity at times.
It just seems like too much of a coincidence that this started after I shut the water off. Never had an issue before on the dishwasher. But I guess I can try that next.
Let me know how it goes. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.